I recently purchased the Bambu Lab X1C 3D printer. I decided to do an unboxing and assembly to help others who might be looking to purchase the same printer and know what it was like. The box it came in was sturdy, well padded, and had enough space to keep the printer safe during shipping. The version I purchased came with some extra filament as well, in this case green, black, and some support material for PLA. There was quite a bit of packaging, but it was simple to remove, and I'm okay with the quantity because it protected the printer during shipping well. After taking off the front packaging, there were a couple of Allen wrench screws that needed to come off in order to remove the AMS from inside. Then there were 3 more to remove to release the print bed. Originally, I put the AMS on top and started hooking things up from the back. There's a couple of power cords as well as a few other pieces that go on the back. However, I realized afterwards that the AMS wouldn't open. It was too close to the ceiling because of where I had it placed, and so I set it to the side instead. Next, I hooked up the screen on the outside. I attached one more cable that I'd forgotten and connected the AMS, installed the spool, and turned on the power. Then I walked through the steps on the mini screen and connected it to Wi-Fi. Next came calibration. It took about 20 minutes and it was really loud. However, it did mention in the guidebook that that was normal and was making noise on purpose. So I don't know what that means, but I guess it's fine. This is a real-time clip of my first print. It has an internal camera, but I didn't have an SD card yet. This was a time-lapse of my second print taken with the built-in camera. Total print time was about 16 minutes, and these are about 2.6 inches tall. Overall time to get everything set up from opening the box until a print was right around 2 hours. Hopefully this information was helpful to you, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel and watch some of my other videos as well.